All right, friends, another quick 4Runner tutorial video for you. Today we're going to be doing just a real quick little tutorial on refilling your windshield wiper fluid. This is a pretty simple thing that almost anybody can do, save you a few bucks over having your local shop do it for you. And all you're really going to need is some well, for us here in Colorado, we use the winter formula washer fluid. Otherwise, you can get some additional formula. It's kind of similar for regular kind of normal environments. It's about $2 at Walmart, pretty cheap. Also, a funnel. You're gonna, unless you have a real steady hand, I highly suggest one of these funnels. I'm gonna link. I'll link in the description box below where you can purchase something like that on Amazon if you need it. All right, let's get started with opening up our hood. Okay, so today we're going to be opening a hood and replacing our windshield fluid on a 1998 Toyota 4Runner. This will be for the similar years. You can do the same type of procedure. And basically we have our hood release right here. I'm going to pull that and you'll hear the hood release. Okay, once you have the hood released from the interior, you're going to reach up underneath the front side, and there'll be a little button, basically just to the upper right of the emblem. We're going to push that up, and lift. Now, what I'm going to need to do now is grab our little hook support, and I'm going to be raising it up and putting it right there into that slot to ensure the hood stays open. Okay, you can see now the hood is supported and we have access to our windshield wiper fluid. Now the reservoir is actually located right over here on the left underneath your hood, and you'll see the little symbol for your windshield wiper and then the fluid coming up and out. All you really need to do is pop this open, and you can see we have access now to pour some windshield wiper fluid down in there. And what you basically can watch it filling up from here, and you really don't want to go any higher than that little N right there when you're filling this thing up. Now, again, you can see if you have a steady hand, you can pour it right in. I'm actually going to stick our funnel down in there, make things a little bit easier. Okay, with our funnel in place, I'm going to come over here and start pouring our wiper fluid in. And you can actually hear it kind of filling up there. So you may, again, just kind of poke and take a peek over when you hear it start to fill up. You can kind of take a peek over here on the side and see that we've raised it just above, or excuse me, it's a couple inches below the N right now. And so let's go ahead and fill that up just a little bit more. And there we go. That's right at the N level now. And I'm going to go ahead and call that good. So there you go, friends. Very easy to do. Highly suggest kind of checking your fluids, making sure that one is nice and topped off, especially if you're in nasty snowy conditions or rain conditions or those kind of things where your windshield gets dirty a lot. All right, stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. We got lots more 4Runner tutorials coming up soon.